Welcome back to another day at Topcast. Today we will guide on safe driving. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a new one, it's crucial to follow these essential tips to ensure your safety and the safety of others on the road. In this video, we'll cover 10 main points that are crucial for maintaining safe and responsible driving habits. These tips encompass a wide range of factors, from vehicle maintenance to defensive driving techniques. So, buckle up and get ready to become a more conscientious and skilled driver. Vehicle maintenance. Vehicle maintenance is a critical aspect of responsible car ownership. Regular maintenance ensures that your vehicle operates efficiently, safely, and reliably. It includes routine tasks like oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, and fluid checks. Proper maintenance not only extends the lifespan of your vehicle but also reduces the risk of breakdowns and accidents caused by mechanical failures. Neglecting maintenance can lead to costly repairs and compromise your safety on the road. So, make vehicle maintenance a priority to keep your car in top condition and ensure a smoother, safer driving experience. Defensive driving. Defensive driving is a crucial skill for every driver. It involves staying alert, anticipating potential hazards, and being prepared to react swiftly to unexpected situations on the road. Defensive drivers maintain safe following distances, avoid distractions, and consistently scan their surroundings for potential dangers. This proactive approach to driving not only reduces the risk of accidents, but also helps drivers navigate challenging situations caused by the negligence of others. In essence, defensive driving prioritizes safety and responsible behavior behind the wheel, making our roads safer for everyone. Avoiding distractions. Avoiding distractions while driving is paramount for safety. Distractions can take many forms, such as texting, using a phone, adjusting the radio, or even eating. These activities divert your attention from the road, increasing the risk of accidents. To drive safely, it's crucial to resist these temptations and focus solely on the task of driving. By staying engaged with the road and avoiding distractions, you significantly reduce the chances of accidents and ensure a safer journey for yourself and others on the road. Speed management. Speed management is a fundamental aspect of safe driving. It entails driving at a speed that is appropriate for the road conditions, traffic flow, and posted speed limits. Excessive speed can lead to accidents, while driving too slowly can impede traffic and create hazards. Proper speed management involves staying within the speed limits, adjusting your speed during adverse weather conditions, and being mindful of the flow of traffic. By adhering to speed management principles, you not only reduce the risk of accidents but also contribute to a smoother and more predictable traffic environment for all road users. Understanding road signs and signals. Understanding road signs and signals is crucial for safe and responsible driving. Road signs and signals provide essential information about traffic regulations, warnings about potential hazards, and guidance on how to navigate intersections and roadways safely. Knowing the meaning and significance of various signs and signals helps drivers make informed decisions while on the road, contributing to overall traffic safety. It ensures that drivers can react appropriately to changing road conditions and situations, reducing the likelihood of accidents and creating a more organized and efficient flow of traffic. Handling adverse weather conditions. Handling adverse weather conditions is a vital skill for any driver. Rain, snow, fog, ice, and other weather challenges can significantly impact road safety. Knowing how to adapt your driving to these conditions is essential. This includes reducing speed, increasing following distances, and using headlights and wipers appropriately. Proper handling of adverse weather conditions helps maintain traction and visibility, reducing the risk of accidents and ensuring safer journeys when weather takes a turn for the worse. Proper use of mirrors. Proper use of mirrors is essential for safe and effective driving. Mirrors are your eyes on the back and sides of your vehicle, providing critical information about your surroundings. By checking your mirrors regularly, you can monitor the traffic behind and beside you, helping with lane changes, merging onto highways, and parallel parking. Proper mirror use minimizes blind spots and enhances your overall situational awareness, making you a safer and more confident driver on the road. Avoiding road rage. Avoiding road rage is crucial for maintaining a safe and harmonious driving environment. Road rage can lead to dangerous confrontations and accidents, endangering everyone on the road. To prevent road rage, it's essential to stay calm, patient, and courteous while driving. Managing frustration and anger, even in challenging traffic situations, is vital. Instead of reacting aggressively, focus on maintaining a level-headed approach to resolve conflicts peacefully, ensuring a safer and more pleasant experience for you and other road users. Seatbelt safety. Seatbelt safety is a fundamental aspect of responsible driving. Wearing a seatbelt is a simple yet highly effective measure to protect yourself and your passengers in the event of an accident. Proper seatbelt use involves wearing it snugly across your lap and shoulder, ensuring it's properly adjusted for your height and build. For young passengers, the use of child safety seats is essential. Seatbelts significantly reduce the risk of injury and save lives, making them a non-negotiable safety feature in every vehicle. Always buckle up before hitting the road to ensure your safety and the safety of those riding with you. Know your vehicle's safety features. Modern vehicles come equipped with advanced safety features like anti-lock brakes, airbags, and electronic stability control. Learn how these features work and how to use them to your advantage to enhance your safety on the road. By following these 10 essential tips, you'll become a safer and more responsible driver. Remember, safe driving not only protects your life, but also the lives of those around you. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and make responsible choices every time you hit the road. Safe driving is a lifelong commitment, and we hope this video has equipped you with the knowledge and skills you need to make every journey a safe one. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.